important it is to provide a quality experience for undergraduates, to provide a nurturing environment for the students, the importance of mentorship, the importance of finding the right sort of problems to be working on. The role of activities such as this in increasing the diversity in the geosciences, and we all know what a challenge and yet how important it is to make progress there. Also instilling in our future colleagues what it means to be a practicing scientist, not just what's in the classroom, but how to succeed out there in the real world, and what are the career opportunities and different career paths for our students going forward. And so many of you have traveled long and far from Puerto Rico, Bermuda, etc. So I really appreciate the effort that you've made to come here, but more importantly, the efforts you are making and the efforts you're going to continue to make leaving here in terms of, again, providing the time and the dedication, providing a rich and rewarding research experience to undergraduates, and the importance of developing a community and standards of practice in this regard, because again, it really starts with you. One of my most memorable experiences was as an undergraduate, where I had an oceanography professor that he didn't have a strong research career, but he engaged the students in field programs and going to his house for activities and things like that. And it's something I'll always remember. So again, it doesn't have to always be in the classroom. This is the third workshop for which it's a pleasure to host the program here. And so hosting it here at UCAR is very fitting, given that UCAR is a consortium of 109 member universities. I'm also pleased that this is sponsored, and I'm very appreciative of the sponsorship by GEO, in that this cuts across the directorates. And so I see the name tents out there, and I hope at some point you start mixing it up, because we're always too siloed, and our future in the geosciences is the collaboration across the tables. That's how I was trained. I was trained my degree is an oceanographer. My major professor, who just passed away on Tuesday, was Jim O'Brien. He was a meteorologist. So I don't even know what the heck I am these days. So again, very thankful to the Geo Directorate for sponsoring this, to Val and the organizing committee for bringing you all here. And so thank you all once again for coming. I wish you all the best, and have a very successful several days. So again, thanks again.
Thank you, Tony. It's always good to hear about the RU experiences that inspired people to